Hey Michael, what are you doing?
Just got to our stateroom, which is 5246 on the Carnival Legend. Come on in over here. Let me show you what we got. This is our stateroom. It's not 100% ready just yet because the stateroom is finishing up final touches. The staterooms are open at 1:30, but we're diamond, so we're just laying down our stuff here in the room. This is what they left for us. This is a Carnival Elite cruise. We have 2 full-size Patron tequila bottles. Very nice. I like when they use name brand liquor. Okay. We have the Elite invitation. We have our lanyards and the schedule of all casino activities for this upcoming cruise. So can't wait. Our next event is at 4:30 for an Elite cocktail party. This is the room. I mean, if you're coming to Alaska, I think you need a balcony room because, you know, we want to look at them sea creatures, whales, seals. We want to see the icebergs, you know, Alaska. Hello. Come on over here. Come on. What we got? Oh, look at this view. Wow. This is the pilot boat. I guess they're refueling at the moment. Got San Francisco. This is not the Golden Gate Bridge, but we will be going under the Golden Gate Bridge this afternoon when we do cruising out of here, out of San Francisco, out to Alaska. Amazing. What do you think about it, Juana?
I love it. Love it.
Juana's behind the camera.
Beautiful weather.
And she's recording me, and I'm so excited.
It's the middle of July, and it's about 50 degrees.
Beautiful weather,
Beautiful
not too
weather.
hot, not too cold, about 50 degrees in San Francisco. We've been walking around.
And this is a cabin that has like a adjoining room if you have an extended family. But we don't, it's just the 2 of us. Got our jackets ready for our sail away party.
What?
It's different. A sail away party, you have to wear a jacket.
It looks
The wind.
Woo.
And then this is not a complimentary item. This is, they're cleaning the carpets.
It's been cleaning. We just came in here to put down
To put
our
our
stuff.
stuff.
You ready for some tequila or what?
But we have the drink package too. This is just a bonus.
You see, these are bonuses. We have the On Us drink package with Carnival Elite Casino. So most of these are always taken home and given out to friends. We don't drink a whole lot, but we like the premium liquor for sure.
Absolutely.
On Carnival. Okay? Very nice. Anyways, it's been Mike Keto's World in room 5246. Did I get it right again? Yeah.
Yes.
On the way to Alaska. Hope to make more videos. See you guys. God bless you guys. Ciao, ciao for now.